It is necessary for you to know how to back up and restore iPhone. This often guarantees the safety of the files in case the original storage is destroyed, either intentionally or accidentally. Number 1. How to back up and restore iPhone using iCloud without iTunes. 1. Back up iPhone to iCloud. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi with a good speed. Step 2. Click on Settings, your name, iCloud on your device. Step 3. Go on to tap on iCloud Backup and check whether it has already been activated. If not, turn it on. Step 4. Tap on Backup Now to start saving your iPhone files to iCloud. Step 5. Wait for the process to complete, then double check to see if the backup was successful. 2. Restore iPhone from iCloud Backup. Step 1. Open your iPhone and then go to Settings. Step 2. In this section, you need to choose General, followed by Reset. Step 3. Select Erase all contents and settings from the new menu. Step 4. Then the phone will start the resetting process and restart. Step 5. Now, you need to follow the prompts to set up the device. Step 6. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup when you reach the app and data display. Step 7. Enter iCloud login. Wait for content restore. Number 2. How to back up and restore iPhone via iTunes. 1. How to back up iPhone to iTunes. Update iTunes to the latest version. Plug iPhone into computer via USB cable. Trust computer if prompted. Click iPhone icon in top left corner for device info in iTunes. Choose this computer and then click on the Backup Now option under the Backup section to start backing up your iPhone to iTunes. 2. How to restore iPhone from iTunes Backup. Connect iPhone to computer with iTunes. Open iTunes. Trust computer if needed. Click phone icon in top left corner. Choose Summary for action options. Select Restore Backup on the right. Pick desired backup file, preferably the latest. Number 3. How can I back up and restore iPhone by Mobikin Assistant for iOS? The best way to back up and restore iPhone is to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Actually, this is a professional iOS file transfer tool that allows you to transfer different kinds of files between iPhone or iPad or iPod and computer. 1. Backup iPhone data with one click. Step 1. Launch the installed software on your computer and use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the PC. Step 2. Go with the on-screen prompts to make the connected iDevice recognized. Step 3. Click on Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup and Restore. Step 4. Then a window will pop up. Just choose Backup from the top menu. Step 5. Select a device to backup and choose the option Backup File S2. Default iTunes Backup location. Step 6. At last, you can tap on OK to start backing up your iPhone data to iTunes. 2. Restore iPhone data with one click. Open the program, connect iPhone to PC via USB. Let it recognize your device. Navigate to Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup, and Restore. Select desired backup files. Click OK to restore to iPhone.